Okay, right now siguro I can say ka talaga nga diskarte. Kasi hanga aming nga tao kay creative enough. Imagine I was able to pull myself up from the mud because of the diskarte that I've had previous year. The previous year.
Yan, na-diskarte ka talaga.
Parang give me this kind of situation and I'll try to find a way to go out from it.
And feeling ko, the more nga amamina nga agdadamon ang business owner niya, the more nga amaminek nga nagadutihang kom mo, the more nga people are saying, oh, naka-cute ka, beginner ka, tulungan da ka nga rod ka. Kaya na dyan ke. Being employee number 0001 ko na, what do you think about this nga da kano ti umay nga mangtulong kanya for packaging tano maka-export na kada export haan makalako na ti sa basabali nga lugar kasi na kunak ke maka-distributor na kunak ke nakasla risk detoy involving another person.
Correct.
So nga feeling ko bad risk dejay mabuteng na kasi kasano na we don't have the same values can vision kasano
involving another person in your business, especially if it's your brainchild na business, medyo mahirap. That's the reason why na before, during my time, people are telling me also to invest the building a business. I always decline, especially that the time of the time that I tried to recover from all the things that I've had. My greatest downfall because of trusting too much. So,
ado ti tattao ngayon ramang mo di business.
yes, ado nga tatao nila ang business and all to the point nga decision was not only from me, but then again by the business paper itself, it's me alone. So all of the responsibilities will be mine. And technically, legally and morally, of course, medyo mahirap yon talaga to face all the consequences of that decision. So that's the reason why this also leads to trust others in your brainchild na business.
Actually, feeling ko okay kanya kung ni dati employee 001 ko pailaw. Ken 002. Ni Mamang Haimang, thank you so much for being my sales lady. Ken awan ni John nga tumulong ang produce kanya ke tumultulong may agaramit. So nakabubuting nga rodan niya to involve people.
Yeah, nakabubuting. Pero right now, I'm so happy to see that when I see your poster, ang ganda ng poster mo, na it's always sold out. And ganon na ganon si Sweet Tones. Which wherein she involves social media in her selling. What is your suggestion to the people who are trying to start their own business and involving social media? How can you relate yung as early as now kasi I can say it's a successful business na eh.
Talaga? You consider me as entrepreneur already?
Yes, actually for that kind of income, hello BIR.
Cut. Ayoko na sa usapang ito.
That's very inspiring story. Let's not talk about the financial figures, pero considering na you're sold out every day and yung production mo, kailangan ng humabol. But what is the help of social media with this? And how did it thrive that way?
Actually, feeling ko being a content creator niya, I love DJ putting out content gamin for people like edutainment kada no da dumake kasi ko I love sharing my day to the people on my Facebook kasi so nga kasi nagbalin lang extension for my love of content creation DJ pinag-araramid ko ti advertisement for lazy yogurt so nga kasi ko people are maybe thinking api puro met amin yogurt ti content nan kasi it's not because I'm hard selling the product. Hangaga po kayat ko lang ti makalako kadaglalo. Kasi the product sells itself. Bakay bagayo niya nga arrogante na the product sells itself. I don't have to, kasi ako mga do hard selling. The reason why I'm doing the social media is because I just love creating content. Ken siguro because of that, nga, for that mentality siguro nga, kayat ko lang tigaramid, is makit kita tao nga he's really enjoying it. So nga people are saying nga among nagko-content ka pati siya mabibisinan na pa yan. So nga kaya't ko pwede gumatang kasi kada adapid agad makakit kita kanya nga sir nakita lang deto yung DJ post mo kaya't ko may nga i-try kasi I'm not putting the product on their faces nga gumatang kayo hanga kasi kada gumatang kayo when itaktog ko awan ti kasi nga peg. No, I'm just really sharing the experience nga love ko DJ product.
should we say that you were able to build the trust of the people because people learn to know who you are in social media? Kasi I guess aside from the product itself, there are good products out there that won't sell online because they don't know kung paano siya ibebenta or paano siya minamarket, you know. And the way I see it sa iyo kasi you don't market the product by the market itself. You market yourself.
What skill made you money that nobody talks about?
What skill made me money
Made you money
that nobody talks about? I guess DJ Kwa, me being authentic laing siguro nga putting myself out there nga ibagbaga talaga nga ay nagalsem DJ yogurt ko kasi because that's how yogurt is supposed to taste. Kasjay. So feeling ko DJ being authentic ko nga I'm putting myself out there, ibagpakita nga makabanog tig. Asin no dadto mga pampanunote ke nagbanog kayong tig business kasi asin panunote amin kada ibagbaga nga nagrigatigin now, nagrigatig luto kada kayat ko nga ma-disappoint ano dadto if I cannot serve other people tagamin ke being a people pleasing being in my people pleasing era kano dadto ke no dati nga makagatan ke masadna pa kadaglalo kasi niya I'm very open to the people on social media nga aduti struggles ko being a business owner. Kada i-expose ko ti bagbagi kasi iyo own up ko latan nga I'm really a beginner at this. And feeling ko the more nga nga amaminek nga agdadamon ang business owner niya, the more nga amaminek nga nagadutihang ko mo, the more nga people are saying, oh, naka-cute ka, beginner ka, tulungan da ka nga rod kasjay. So nga, to all the people nga tumultulong ka DJ business metat na niya, walang pagsidlan ang, naiyak nga ako tito boy, charing. Walang pagsidlan yung happiness ko that people are still supporting me. Or no baby steps na pailaing ka DJ nga business.
So that goes to show that you build up nga talaga yung trust ng people towards you. Kasi imagine if you make a single mistake sa social media right now, even in life, 'di ba? If they will judge you according to your mistake, they won't trust you anymore or they won't try to buy your product anymore, 'di ba?
Amen.
Something siguro that's the skill also that you were able to you
Yeah.
were able that made you earn money.
When feeling ko agsubli naman ka DJ yan nga very genuine na gamin like at the time meeting nga kwaken nga I nag-enter into research and development field detoy talaga kasi ke at nakita lang di TikTok nga you wanna make your yogurt thicker? Add skimmed milk, channeling kasjay. Gimata ti mesa nga kilo nga skimmed milk nang luto na ti duwa nga karton nga gatas. Ending inimpang ko DJ yan nagrinet. The taste is there. Ngem di consistency na ke nagkersang nga tilmunem awan di yan ti silky nga kwana. And then inamin ko on social media nga wala po akong mabebenta ngayon na yogurt kasi nga po ay nag-experiment ako, nagpangit di texture na yada baglaingin tada ni dyan nga ng gatang kada or else lugi na tatta. Imagine ginatang na amin. Hindi ko instead of people nga turning their backs on me ke kasi ako ano kay ladeta glako kalatake di nga mo nga ang kang-experimenten kasi ti bagbagada so nga I really feel very grateful.
You took responsibility of your mistake.
Kinhangkongin lako.
Yeah, oo.
Hangkongin lako di
Just to earn
product.
money.
Diba? Just to earn money kaya na nga nag-put out ti product nga bad quality.
That's integrity rin kasi. Integrity in doing business.
Kasi ka hindi
What skill made you more money?
Okay, right now siguro I can say ka talaga nga diskarte. Kasi hanga aming nga tao kay creative enough. Imagine I was able to pull myself up from the mud because of the diskarte that I've had the previous year.
Yan, na-diskarte ka talaga.
Parang give me this kind of situation and I'll try to find a way to go out from it, to step up from it. And imagine I was already on the mud that time. I mean,
Yeah, rock bottom.
rock bottom talaga. Totally nga medyo marigatan ka nga to go up. But I still remember the line that I saw during my interview in BPI head office. To live the life we want does not depend on what we have. It's what we do with what we have. For example, I have 5 pesos here. 5 pesos could be my puhunan. I'll buy, for example, 5 pieces of fishball and then I'll try to make benta of it. Let's say, that way lang, that skill of mine, I can do creative things out of the situation that I am in. Maybe that's the reason why that I was able to pull myself up again.
Yeah.
Since you're already an entrepreneur, you should expose yourself to it. And sabi mo nga, di ba, you're passionate about it. So own up to it.
Well, I'm passionate about making Ilocos Sur gut healthy. So nga...
And I guess that that will be relatable also with the product that's about to come out from our corporation.
Shameless plug ba to?
Ano pa lang to it's just a preview of what will happen because I think that since your business is aligned with health and I put up something that is also aligned with health, we can work together with this to make Ilocosur healthy.
When...
To make all Ilocanos healthy. Because as you've seen us before, way back last year, kung mapapakita namin yung picture, I'll try to insert it here, yung picture namin last year compared to how you see us now on camera.
Pati
This is
siya,
no
the picture
filter.
ko?
Yes, yung during the time na nagpunta tayo sa diving. Yung picture natin together doon, tatlo.
When...
So,
Goreka, dami question ko kay ni Jan. Are you proud of the business nga being employee number 0001? Are you proud of the business? Mabain. Ngem you're proud of the business. Mabain nga sumungba.
yeah, pero alam nyo, I can see you guys even doing more money than I right now.
Talagang
Totoo
man.
to, no joke. Kasi with the kind of trust that you're building in Ilocos Sur, in the province itself, in District 1 per se, kasi District 1 pa lang yan but you were able to hit that kind of market na. And I won't say the figure Imagine if you will reach a wider audience, a wider market, and
Well.
I've heard there are people from Nueva Ecija asking on
Well,
how
yeah.
to buy your product.
Yeah.
The problem lang is logistics.
Yeah.
But technically, the market is already there, di ba? How much more if you can reach more market?
Tarlac. Zamboanga. Daghan dagijitig kwa digdamdamag gamin na
Nueva
taga
Ecija.
Tarlac, Nueva Ecija. Makit-kitam niya.
Yeah,
Lawag,
kita.
kadag na
Lawag.
law. People are asking,
Oh, pwede rin
nakasano.
sila Union, Taguig, Pampang, ay, MUPN.
Nakasano da nga maka... What niya, diyan mo na na-istorya ka niya deto yan, but people are asking, DJ comment section, DJ TikTok ko, nga, sir, how did you make your yogurt thicker kada kung kunada? And then, sino nga tadagit yung matatao ko na? Sino tadagit yung comment? And when I click their profile, makitut ka, they're also in the business of selling yogurt. Tapos, hindi kinita, kano da nga nag-start nga naglako?
Mayagi.
March. Haan March?
Recent lang din.
Recent lang din. So, meaning, they got inspired. Kada yung siguro, feeling ko, again, delusional na siguro. You can call me delusional. I started doing the business in February. March, dun titatao nga. Kwanta pa sa dami mga ibagbaga nga, sir, dito sa abroad, nagbebenta na ako ng
Yogurt.
ng yogurt.